Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer CRO between the Crypto.com app and the Crypto.com exchange, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to move CRO between the Crypto.com app and the Crypto.com exchange. First, open the Crypto.com app and tap on Transfer. From there, select Withdraw. Then choose Crypto.com Exchange. This option is specifically for moving funds between the app and the exchange. Next, select CRO from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of CRO you want to transfer from the app to the exchange. Double-check the amount, then confirm the transfer. The CRO will be sent to your Crypto.com exchange account, and transfers between the app and the exchange are usually instant. If you want to move CRO back from the exchange to the Crypto.com app, log into the Crypto.com exchange. Once you're in, go to your wallet and select Withdraw. From the withdrawal options, choose Crypto.com app. Then select CRO, enter the amount you want to transfer back to the app, and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the CRO will be transferred back to your Crypto.com app balance. And that's it. You can move CRO back and forth between the Crypto.com app and the exchange whenever you need, without paying external network fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Crypto.com tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.